Team, my 2-minute conviction today is the old axiom that Grandma taught us, and that is, it's not what you say, it's how you say it that really matters. Some incredible research by a UCLA psychology professor, Albert Mehrabian, has helped provide evidence to this incredible home truth, and he's dubbed it the 7-38-55 rule. And his very simple conclusion is the words that you say carry about 7% of the message that's heard. 38% of the message is carried in tone of voice, and 55% of the message is carried in body language. And so we now have proof to support, based on his research, that it's not just what you say, it's how you say it that matters. And this is why we so often are cautious around text messages and emails and even video conferencing, where we lose not just subtle nuances in our communication and messaging, but in fact we can leave out whole chunks of the message we're trying to convey, sometimes up to more than half of our substance evaporates because the listeners don't get the benefit of the words combined with the tone and the body language. And so as leaders and people of influence who are looking to make a difference in the world around them, there are two things in my conviction today. Number one is obviously think carefully about this 7-38-55 rule and make the effort to get in the presence of your audience. So, spend the extra time and effort. Go face to face when you can. Avoid electronic communications when your message is crucial. And keep reinforcing the importance of human interaction, because you don't dilute your message in that instance. My second quick key takeaway is please think deliberately about your tone and about your body language when it comes to your messaging. We put way more effort in the words, and sometimes we forget about the sincerity of tone and body language to back it up. And we want alignment in that message to not undermine the very key outcomes you are chasing. I hope that helps. That's my 2-minute conviction. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it that matters. Have a great week.